I'm continuing my English learning video series using the Comprehensible input method. In this second part of our supermarket shopping video, I'm going to teach you some useful new words. Sunflower oil, olive oil, rice, tuna, sushi, nuts, mosquito, toilet paper, Cologne. This supermarket is really big, and I keep moving forward. On my right side, there are biscuits and snacks, but I already have enough at home, so I won't buy any today. This one is actually a biscuit I really like, but again, I still have some at home. Now here, we see a variety of chocolates and gummy candies. Speaking of chocolate, I really don't like dark chocolate. It tastes too bitter to me, so I usually don't eat it. In fact, I try not to consume sugary things at all. For your health, you should also try to avoid sugar. Now we've arrived at the milk section. These milk cartons are rich in protein. Let's take 2 of them. Our shopping cart is starting to fill up. Here we have cereals and oats. I try to eat oats regularly because they're high in fiber and really good for your digestive system. Try to eat oats at least twice a week. There are many brands of sunflower oil here. Look, all of these are sunflower oils. I usually use sunflower oil for frying potatoes, but to be honest, I don't really recommend it for health reasons. Instead, I recommend healthier options like these olive oils. At home, I mostly use olive oil. Look at all these bottles here. I won't buy any now because I still have some at home. Let's keep going through this aisle. On my left, there are lots of different legumes, lentils, beans, bulgur, everything you need. I really love eating rice, so I'll grab a bag of rice here. Look, these are all rice. I usually choose this brand because it makes the best pilaf. Now I'm turning left. For a second, I was confused about which way to go, but yes, it's left. I turn left again, and now I see canned tuna. There's a lot of tuna here. I usually prefer this brand because their tuna tastes better. Over here is another brand, but this one is light and comes in big chunks. I don't like light tuna at all. I think it tastes terrible. If you care about your health, you can choose tuna in olive oil instead of sunflower oil. Yes, all of these are tuna cans. And here we have salt. Look, all of these are different types of salt. Now you see many instant soup packets. I don't recommend eating any of these. The best soup is homemade. I know this is starting to feel more like a health video than a shopping video, but hey, that's real life. Let's keep going. Here you can see the checkout numbers and the main entrance to the supermarket behind them. But I still want to show you around a little more, so I keep walking. We've arrived at the breakfast section. You can see many different kinds of cheese here. This aisle is really large and has everything you might be looking for. Margarine, cold cuts, sausages. Even sushi. Yes, this is sushi. I've never eaten sushi in my life, and honestly, I'm not curious about how it tastes. The cold cuts and sausages look tasty, but I won't be buying any today. Now we're in the nuts section. All of these are packages of nuts. Look, this is pistachio. Yes, all of these are nut packages. Nuts. I usually prefer raw, mixed nuts like this because they haven't been roasted in oil and are healthier. Here you see lots of chips, but I don't eat any of them. Like I've said from the beginning of the video, I try to eat healthy as much as I can. From here, you can see the butcher section, the deli, and the drinks section. Now that we've checked out the food and drinks, it's time for cleaning products. Let's explore the cleaning aisle. Towels, detergents, soaps, and many more hygiene products are available here. Look, these are mosquito repellent sprays. Especially during hot summer days, I use these sprays to get rid of the mosquitoes that invade my house. Mosquito. Mosquito. Oh, I just remembered. We're out of toilet paper at home. So I should grab a pack. Look, these are all toilet paper. There are even some on my left. This one is huge and has 32 rolls inside. There's really a lot of toilet paper here. I quickly grab one pack. We're getting close to the end of the video, but I realized I forgot to buy cologne. Let's go find it together. Yes, here it is. These are bottles of cologne. 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 These ones are smaller. And here we have cologne in spray bottles. I usually prefer the 80% alcohol ones because they kill bacteria and viruses more effectively. Cologne. Now you can see some deodorants here. This one is my favorite. It's both affordable and smells great. I'll toss this one into my cart too. I'm feeling pretty tired today. Now I'm slowly heading toward the checkout area. If you want to keep learning English with me, I really need your support. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends.